How to unlike reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to unlike reels on Instagram. So in order to unlike reels on Instagram, then you have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log in into your Instagram account. Make sure that your account is already up to date. In order to unlike it, you just go to your profile, and from here you could go and press on try bar icon. As you press on the try bar icon, then you need to go ahead and select your activity. So here you could go ahead and press on your activity. Under it, you need to go to likes. So over here you'll be able to see all of your like history or the content that you actually liked. So in order to unlike it, you could just go ahead and select or filter it out to newest to oldest, or you could just sort it out by dates, and you could also go ahead and select all content type. So here you need to go ahead and specify that particular content that you wish to delete. So I'm going to select multiple, and if you're sure about it, press the unlike button and once again confirm that, and you've successfully unliked reels on Instagram post. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.